Okay, here we go. So show me what you're doing, what you did.
How we doing, Ellen?
Go ahead. You want to play the code?
Yes.
Good. Oh,
So tell me what you coded.
did you fully answer over?
I coded Tracy. I coded Tracy.
Tracy, okay. Did you, what did you use? You said you used loops?
Yeah. Why is it W? I'm trying to type it too.
And this is in what language?
Python.
Okay. So this is the code, and this is what it looks like.
It's a very long code. Like it's 18,000 lines long. No, 1,800 lines long. Not 18,000.
1,800 lines of code. Good job. And it took you, you think an hour maybe to do this? How long do you think it took you to code
like
all this?
30 minutes.
30 minutes?
So I
Okay.
used copy and paste like a lot.
Excellent.
Because once you figure out the first two, it's pretty easy to do the rest.
Mm-hmm.
You just copy and paste. And then once you get to the top, then it changes so that you can move it.
How does it change it when you get to the top?
Well, you just have to move it, and then if you move it into the right position, then it'll just keep going with the same.
So it changes the direction, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And instead of going side to side, it goes up to down.
Mm-hmm.
Up to down, up and down.
Okay.
Okay. Why does this take forever? Oh yeah, and the 1,800 lines of code is not including the 4 lines in every single one. I collapsed every single loop, so it's smaller,
Okay.
and that still makes it to 1,800.
And then I see how you're changing something as we go along.
You open up your
Yeah, I
chat.
made a mistake.
Mm-hmm.
It's just for the up and down, not for the side.
How did you figure out that you had made a mistake?
Because when I ran the code earlier,
Did you get my
these
message
bottom
later?
two were
Okay,
not
good.
being filled
Yeah, if
in.
you need help, if you need help
And
at any time,
instead
speak
of
up.
having it go for
Yeah, I was just
oh
I thought I needed
shoot,
help, but then
I didn't have enough
Figured it out.
time.
yeah, I thought it was
Fine, for the rest of them it'll do.
Oh, okay. You did it.
So the best way to figure out a mistake is to run the code and see how it shows up, like, right?
Yeah, like look at those
Mm-hmm.
lines. That's what I'm trying to prevent by putting 42 instead of 40.
Okay.
When will it fix it? There we go. Oh, I don't think it's gonna work because I'm doing it whilst the code is running. It uses the
That's
code
right. So you have to fix that and then rerun the code. Okay.
Yep.
Well, thank you for sharing. This is really good work. Thank you.
That's basic.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you. So show me what you got. What work did you do?
Okay, so you can enter any number. So I can do it says 8 or less because then if you put 100,
Mm-hmm.
the circles are gonna go all the way up. So you won't be able to see it inside that box. So you can go 8 or less.
Okay.
So I can do 5. Then I'll go all the way back to 1.
Oh, it's like a triangle, right?
But if I do 100, I'm
Uh-huh.
gonna go all the way. And then
Interesting.
back. So it suggests if you do 7. It works
So it shows how many rows.
Yeah.
2, 4, 6, 7 rows. Okay.
Or I can do, and then 8 is the max because then all the circles show.
Good. Good
But if
job.
you do this kind of
Are you
number,
watching your own
it's
video?
you can't see the circles. So
Okay.
it's just one thing.
Very nice. Good job. And what language are you coding this in?
Python.
Very good. Keep up the good work.